All right, continuing on with this lawn, you kind of see all the bags that we have going on, just cleaning up that debris, rigging all that thatch out. So as we do this lawn, you can see some of the areas needed some expert dethatching. And speaking of that, I'm just curious, do you guys follow more lawn care experts on your YouTube, or more of a lawn hobbyist? Let me know in the comments below. So if you're curious about how long it takes to dethatch a 23,000 square foot lawn, the guys got here about 7:30 and it's now 11:13 and we're still in the dethatching process. And it's kicking David's ass. This is gonna cost me a couple cases of Modelo at the end of the day, maybe 3. So after we get done dethatching this lawn, we're gonna do a core aeration. We're also gonna apply some fungicide to the property because it has some gray leaf spot. It's going to be propiconazole, azoxystrobin, and then we're also gonna apply some Aerate and bifenthrin to the property. The Aerate is going to be the grub prevention, and the Telstar is going to be the fire ant control and other kind of surface insects. So also be a little bit of liquid fertilizer, a quarter pound of nitrogen for every 1,000 square feet. The lawn does have some gray leaf spot, so we're keeping that nitrogen low. You can apply nitrogen to gray leaf spot, but you want to make sure that you use a very low rate. So stay tuned to the channel. Please subscribe.